Alright, I just got done watching shoenice's video on trying to eat dry dog food. I want to see what that's like, so we're going to do it. I got some dry dog food. I'm not going to try to eat the whole thing, I just want to see. So, that's what I'm doing. So here we go, let's see why it was so hard. For one, it doesn't taste like chicken. For reason two, it dries out your mouth. It takes all the moisture from your mouth and it sucks it up into that nasty ass dry dog food. I give you the thumbs up, shoenice. That was pretty impressive. I want to see you eat a wet can of cat food, shoenice. I want to see you eat it on some olive oil crackers. I'm out of here for now, YouTube. Take it easy. Oh wait, I gotta swallow this. Done. That's nasty and I just took one bite.